As part of my pledge for TTCombat's Striketeam Commander Kickstarter, I've got the Chroma Scenery kit, meaning I won't have to paint the scenery, just build it. In UKGE 2025, I got the chance to see the Chroma Terrain in person, and I was really impressed with how it looked. I'm looking forward to getting a table of it. But I also wanted to know what the kits were like to build. How did the printed design hold up to being handled? Did the sprue require being cut differently to protect the design? Well, to find out, I ordered these crates, because who doesn't love scatter terrain? The mixed crates gives you 4 different designs. One, a generic Inquisitor style box, a mining laser crate, a medic supply box, and a recycled nutrients crate for rations. The explosive crates hold Promethium for flamers, frag grenades, missiles, and crack grenades. The designs printed on the crates have a nice satin finish, and the images are nice and clear. Even on this crack grenade case, the hole that has been blasted into it looks sharp, giving it a feel of depth. It's also pretty hard wearing. Given the design some scratches, it doesn't mark the surface. I wouldn't drag a knife across it, but it should hold up to being used, and for scenery where models would be pushed and pulled over walkways and gantries, I wouldn't be concerned with the friction damaging anything. The sprue itself is no different to other MDF kits from TTCombat, where they are held onto the sheet by small uncut areas, which will be cutting with a hobby knife. And looking at the front of the pieces, there's no worry about damaging that printed layer of the MDF. However, if you're still concerned about the risk, you can always cut from the printed side. Taking this mining laser crate, I do a dry fit, and it goes together very nice without any issues which you can sometimes find on MDF kits. Using regular PVA glue, we can stick it together and very quickly get all of the crates built. Comparing the size of the crate to some of the resin crates from TTCombat, which I've had for a while and still not painted, they pretty much match up in size to these rocket crates. And comparing to a larger model here, I'm using the Biofissa Hulk. Stacking a couple up to make a barricade or shooting position would provide some good cover. Including filming this whole section of video, building all 8 crates took me between 10 to 15 minutes while watching some wrestling. Larger kits will obviously take longer, and when it comes to the Striketeam Commander Scenery, I'll probably go section by section over a few days, but that time will still be a lot less comparing against having to paint the full scenery